This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing you the current trend of the price action, present support and resistance levels. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice, it's only the projection of the price action. So let us look at today's economic calendar. Today is Tuesday, June 14th. We have lots of low impacting news planned today. And when we look at the high impacting news at 6 p.m. we have US dollar related currency pairs which has a high impacting news. Again we have medium impacting news for US dollar coming at the same time. So plan your trade entry and exit based on this economic calendar schedules. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action, previously the price action came to the level of 1678, then it started moving on a bullish trend. And it found resistance around the level of 2070 and presently it is in a retracement. Let us analyze how low it has retraced using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. So when we look at this price action more closely, I am drawing a horizontal resistance line. Here we can clearly notice that the price action has retraced up to 50% of the overall bullish trend. Currently it has found resistance around the level of 1873 and it has fallen from this level. Let us analyze and see whether the fall is going to continue or not. I am drawing a channel pattern over here. According to this channel pattern, still the trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend. In the past we have noticed the price action to trend on a bullish trend from the support level over here which was around 1798, and currently we have noticed the price action to retrace and take support on this bullish channel pattern support line. And even if the price action falls further, we can expect it to take support on the bottommost support line from the bullish channel pattern. Only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend. Since the price action is still trading above this bullish channel pattern support line, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be 1761. And if you want to take trades on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break the resistance level of 1827, which is also going to be the 61.80% in Fibonacci's retracement tool, above which you can take trades on the bullish side. So these are all the resistance and support levels in 4 hours time frame. So the price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a bullish trend, trading within a bullish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, previously the trend was in a very nice bullish trend and this level of 1873 had acted as a very strong resistance level. Here also we have noticed the price action to break this resistance line, but it couldn't sustain above this resistance level of 1873, and we have noticed the price action to fall steeply on a bearish trend reversal. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is still trading within a bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1826 in order to take the trades on the bullish side, and if the price action breaks this lower support line of the bullish channel pattern, it is the confirmation of the bearish trend reversal, in which case you can take trades on the bearish side. Next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1761. Currently I am noticing a green color candles, which is a good sign of bullish trend reversal. I would also recommend you to draw trend lines like this, and if the price action breaks this resistance line or the trend line, it is the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the support level of 1813 is holding the price action from falling further on the bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also I am going to draw a resistance line or a trend line, and based on this trend line we are noticing the current price action is still in a bearish trend. It has taken support on the support line from the bullish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line to get a confirmation on the bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame also. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support levels. We have a very strong resistance level from the 4 hours time frame, which is around 1826. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently this level of 1827 is a very strong resistance level because it is from the higher time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line. So previously the price action was trading below this resistance line or the trend line, and currently it has given a breakout from this resistance line, and also we are noticing the price action to retrace to this support line or the trend line because there is very little trading volume for now. Wait for the volume to increase in gold, upon which you can take directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.